Now here we're subtracting mixed numbers, but this time we're going to subtract by changing both mixed numbers in the question into improper fractions. So first we have 2 2/5 minus 1 4/5. So we can change 2 2/5 into an improper fraction. 2 times 5 is 10, and then 10 plus 2 is 12. So as an improper fraction, 2 2/5 can be written as 12/5. And we can change 1 4/5 into an improper fraction as well. Remember, we multiply the whole number by the denominator, and 1 times 5 is 5, and then we add the numerator. 5 plus 4 is 9, so we're subtracting 9/5. So remember, when we subtract fractions, we keep the denominator the same in our answer, and now 12 minus 9 is 3, so our answer is 3/5. Next, we have 3 1/4 minus 1 3/4. So again, we can change both of these mixed numbers into improper fractions. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, and remember the denominator stays the same. We're subtracting 1 3/4, but we can change that into an improper fraction as well. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7, so that's 7/4 as an improper fraction. Now we keep the denominator the same in our answer, and 13 minus 7 is 6, so as an improper fraction, our answer is 6/4, or 6/4. We can change that back into a mixed number by dividing 6 by 4, so dividing the numerator by the denominator. 6 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 2, so that's 1 2/4 as our answer. 1 times 4 is 4, and then we need 2 more to get to 6, so 6/4 is 1 2/4 as a mixed number. We can show fraction bars to see what we did here. So we started with 2 2/5, but that's 12/5 as an improper fraction. So when we subtracted 1 4/5, instead we could subtract 9 of those fifths to give us 3/5 as our answer. Then we had 3 1/4, so 3 wholes and 1/4, but we turned those wholes into quarters as well, because we changed 3 1/4 into an improper fraction. We were subtracting 1 3/4, but that's the same as 7/4, and if we subtract 7 of these quarters, we're left with 6/4. But as a mixed number, you can see that here we have one whole fraction bar shaded blue and 2/4 of another one, so that gives us our answer 1 2/4. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.